Hey guys, I want to take a second and show you the most important feature on this Linkind TV light strip that really makes it work better than a lot of other light strips. So I'm just going to show you do it from the app. I'm going to real quickly go through how to get it set up on the app. You can see how that works and then show you the most important thing you need to do. So first of all, you need to get this AiDot app. So just make sure you get this one. Then you're just going to download it and it's going to make you create an account. And once you get an account, you're going to get to a page like this. You're going to select add device, turn the device on, make sure the light is blinking blue here on the device, or the light is on blue. That means it's going to be searching. Hit nearby, select it, go through the, and then just follow the instructions.
So one of the neatest features of this light strip that really sets it apart from other light strips and gives it a really look of a custom install just for your setup is the fact that you do not have to use all of the light strip. Using your finger, you can actually set how much of the light strip it uses so that it's using exactly what you need for the back of your TV or whatever setup you have, so you don't have any extraneous light that you don't want that just kind of takes away from the very custom look.
Once you've got it all set up, then from the app you can change the different modes. You can put it to sync to the sound of your TV, to the sound of the music that it hears, to different presets, change the colors, all that kind of stuff. Change how bright it is, how sensitive it is to the sounds. Put it on countdowns, schedules, routines. It will also give you information about the energy consumption and everything like that.